Running a business as a solopreneur from home can be hard. Whether it's in network marketing, coaching, or any other type of loan business, we have to find our motivation to keep going and remembering why we started it. This is where our dreams and goals come into play and creating plans for achieving them. I can also guarantee that if you haven't set these, the chances of you holding down a long-term successful business will be low. So sit down, make some goals, think of your dreams and how your business can help you get there, and then start to work with the law of attraction. When you start to work with the law of attraction, it can feel like it would take months or even years to manifest the lifestyle of your dreams. Just enjoy the process and your new positive mindset, and trust that the universe has your back and is listening to your wishes and desires. So let's now go through the 7 steps on helping the law of attraction hear your wishes. Number 1, choose what to manifest. First, you have to make a clear decision about what you want. Start off small and lay the foundations of your dreams. And think about creating a vision board. This part of the process works really well. Why not check out Lisa Williams, aka the Vision Board Queen, on Instagram and Facebook? She's got some fantastic training and a free Facebook group that you can join. Number 2 is visualization. I love this part of the process. I do this every day, mainly in bed at night or in the bath. I love to amplify these even more when it's a new moon and a full moon, and I take it to a whole new level with a moon bath to really increase my vibrations into manifesting my dreams and goals. Feel free to send me a message about this and I can help you more on moon baths. With a new moon, we get ready for new beginnings and plant our intentions and goals. And in the full moon, we let go of things that we didn't work so well or didn't serve us well, including relationships and feelings. We let these energies go so that we can let the good ones flow back in with us. So back to visualization. I would love you to write out 3 scenarios that you want to visualize. Here's a couple of examples. So when you land at your dream holiday destination, you get to disembark. You're always standing in the queue in the galleys, don't you? Then the door opens. Can you feel that heat when you step off the plane? It just hits you, doesn't it? Especially when we're used to the UK weather, and that heat feels amazing. Or it could be sitting in your new car. Can you smell that interior? Can you see the shine? New cars smell amazing, right? So visualize it and own that feeling of driving away from the forecourt of the dealership. And affirmations. Why not create your own affirmations in relation to your goal or your goals and write them down? Whenever you get the chance, preferably daily, say them out loud, or you can say them to yourself. I deserve all the success coming my way. Amazing opportunities exist for me. My dream holiday destination draws closer to me each and every day. Or a new car. Thank you for the transportation it provides for me and my family. We are grateful. I use an app on my phone for daily affirmations, and they're a great way for my Instagram affirmation posts too. It's called I Am. Number 4 is take steps. You need to start thinking of what physical steps you can be taking to move towards closer to getting your goal. These things just don't happen. We have to put in some sort of effort so we can meet the law of attraction halfway. Taking action and being open to every opportunity shown and offered to us is a crucial part of aligning yourself with the magic of the law of attraction. Give back. Number 5. As the old saying goes, what goes around comes around. So ask yourself this. Where can you be of service to someone else? Banking up some good karma raises your vibration, which means the law of attraction will see you as a shiny beacon and is working hard to achieve their dreams. So you're worthy. Number 6, stay positive. Negative self-talk and the opinions of others may show as a distraction from your goals, so don't waste your time on them. It's important to stay positive and focused on your manifestation every day. Don't slip into that negative pot. Ditch people who bring you down and only connect and work with those who lift you up. I've ditched lots of people who don't serve me well, and it felt and still does feel amazing. And number 7, be open to the signs, signals, and opportunities. By the time step 7 comes around, the universe should already be throwing some serious signs and opportunities in your direction. So look out for them. And that's it. 7 steps to starting to use the law of attraction in achieving the goals and dreams that you've set yourself for the coming 12 months or even 3 years. It's now over to you to make them happen. I'd love to know in the comments, have you used any of these methods before? Or maybe now will you start to use them a little bit more and look into the law of attraction and manifesting a little bit deeper?